Hello, it's Gem Games, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change this default material so it's not always the boring gray. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's click something on the level, for example this, and now here on the outliner and on the details we can see here materials element 0. Let's click on the search, and now we found our material. Let's double click that. Let's actually move it to here. And let's make this a little bit bigger, like this. Now you can see we have surface color, grid color, and subgrid color. Let's actually change the surface color to maybe something like this. Yeah, something like that. And grid color, let's make it actually like red or something like that. And subgrid color, let's make it like that. And also we can change the roughness. You can see here much better what it does. If you go near 0, you can see it will start to get pretty shiny. So let's actually leave it to make it 0 like that. And also you can change the grid size. You can see, but the default is 100, and that is pretty good, at least for me. Okay, then we click save, and if we go to play, you can see everything is looking pretty nice. And you can obviously adjust them however you want. But yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.